So this is a loading technique to the side part of your torso. So it covers right where the shoulder bends to right about mid to lower back, right into that area, both on the left and right side. When you position this roller on your back, you want to make sure it's angled versus straight up and down like this. So it's easier if it's angled a little bit more like that. There's two techniques you're going to use. The first technique is more of the seek and destroy. You're going to find the area that's sensitive. So you're seeking that area, you're going to hold that position and try to destroy it. So you're just going to apply a little bit more weight on top of it. You're going to inhale, exhale, and just let your body drape over it. Once it desensitizes, becomes a little bit more comfortable to tolerate, then you can find another area as you start to move more towards your back area or more towards your shoulder area. Once you find a sensitive area again, you're going to hold that position, you're going to inhale, exhale, and just try to let your body drape over it. The second technique that you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So again, same thing, you're going to find an area that's sensitive. So right now I'm finding an area which is roughly about there. And then once I have that position, I'm going to take my arm and I can turn it inward, and then I can turn it all the way outward. Once you find a load that's comfortable or tolerable, you're going to hold it there. So as I start to turn outward, I feel it right about there, so I'm just going to hold it there, and then I'm just going to breathe into it. Inhale, exhale, until my body melts and it desensitizes that I can tolerate a little bit more load. The second modification that you can do when you do the pin and stretch technique is you're going to find the area again, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to open up, trying to face my body in the opposite direction.